One of my favorite side dishes to bring to barbecues and potlucks and picnics during the summer is a pasta salad. And there's so many versions of pasta salad and I love all of them. I'm gonna share with you 6 recipes that I absolutely love and they are so perfect for summertime. So 6 pasta salad recipes, quick, easy, and delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my recipes with you. Also put a like on this video if you enjoy it, and let's get going into these 6 pasta salad recipes. For this pasta salad, I'm going to be using some large elbows. This is going to be a cowboy pasta salad. That's what I call this one. I am going to just cook up this whole box of pasta according to the directions. So I'm just going to put that into my boiling water, let that cook, and then I will have everything else ready to make into the pasta salad. So now this is all cooked. I am going to add in some bacon crumbles. You can cook your own bacon and crumble it up, or you can just buy it already kind of crumbled. I have 1/4 cup of bacon crumbles, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I have a can of corn that I will drain before I add it in. I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes. I love these. I cut them in half. And then I'll add them in. I have a cup of mayonnaise, and it's gonna make this really nice and creamy. I'm gonna add in some barbecue sauce. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. We love Sweet Baby Ray's. And I have some Worcestershire sauce that I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons. So this is really, really yummy. It's super easy. Just dump all this in, give it a stir. You can make this a little bit ahead of time if you want to any kind of potluck picnic you have going to. It has tons of flavor and it's a huge hit. I'm going to be doing a penne for this pasta, so I'm just going to cook this up according to the directions. And you can really use any type of pasta you want. You can do regular macaroni noodles or almost any kind of noodle that you want. So I'm going to be doing penne for this one. So I'm going to be adding in some mozzarella pearls. I love these fresh mozzarella pearls. This is going to be a caprese version of a pasta salad, which is so perfect for the summertime. I love anything caprese in the summer. So I'm just breaking apart these little mozzarella balls and adding them into the pasta. I did let my pasta cool for a little bit so it's not too warm. I have my cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. And I have my fresh basil that I cut into just some small little strip pieces. Add that in. I have 1/2 cup of olive oil and I have some balsamic vinegar as well. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, and then I have white wine vinegar also. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon to that. This is a really easy little dressing for this pasta salad. I'm adding in some garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon. I have some salt as well, and a little bit of pepper also. I'm going to mix this all together and then I will drizzle it over the noodles and all of the pasta salad ingredients. And it is so yummy. It's really refreshing. It's really, really great for summertime. Just dump all this in, give it a good mix, and it's a huge hit at any get-together. So I am going to be cooking up my pasta for this one. I'm using a rotini noodle for this. You can use penne if you want, or elbows, or macaroni. Honestly, any kind of pasta works for a lot of these. I have some crumbled feta, so I'm adding in the whole container of crumbled feta. I have some pitted Kalamata olives. So this is a Greek pasta salad. I've drained the olives. I have a red onion. I cut up about half of the red onion into some small pieces. I have some pine nuts as well. This just gives it an awesome little flavor and a little bit of crunch to it. I love that. I have some olive oil. I'm using 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have some balsamic vinegar. I have 2 tablespoons of the balsamic. I'm going to add in some salt as well. You can salt to taste for your liking. Give this a stir. This is just a really great little Greek style pasta salad. I love this one. And like I said, you can use really any kind of pasta noodle that you want for these. So I cooked up some thin spaghetti noodles. So this is actually a whole wheat thin spaghetti. I have some rotisserie chicken, 2 cups of cut up rotisserie chicken. I have some carrots as well, 1/2 cup diced into some small pieces. These are some slivered almonds, and I'm going to be making this yummy dressing for this. I have 1/2 cup of olive oil. I'm adding in 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This is a really fun, like Asian chicken noodle salad that I love. some garlic powder, some little bit of pepper as well, a little bit of salt. And this is really easy, and this is really, really yummy. This one's a huge, huge hit. This dressing is just really, really great. Mix it together, pour it on top, and this makes all of these pasta salads make a nice big batch. So they're perfect to take to functions, perfect to take to barbecue parties, any kind of, we have birthday parties this summer, so I love taking pasta side dishes. So this one is really, really great. So I'm going to be making up some protein pasta. We love protein pasta. This Brammy makes great pastas. Barilla makes a really great protein pasta also. But just cooking this up according to my package directions. Give it a stir, let this cook, and you can use any kind of noodle you want. But this is going to be a Cesar pasta salad. I have some kale, I have sun-dried tomatoes, I have shaved Parmesan. I'm going to use a cup of this shaved Parmesan, which I love this stuff. And this is going to be so, so yummy. I'm using this light, creamy Cesar salad dressing, but you can use your favorite. So I'm using a cup of this, and I'm just going to pour this in. This is super good, and just mix it away, toss it all together, and just coat the noodles, coat the kale. Really great. I absolutely love this one. It's so perfect for summertime, and it is a huge, huge hit as well. So I'm cooking up my noodles for this one. I'm going to use some bow tie noodles for this one, and I'm going to be making, it's a pea pesto pasta salad. So I have some sweet peas, frozen sweet peas, and I'm just going to pour the whole bag into my bow tie pasta. Now I have some basil pesto. I have half of a cup that I'm going to add in. Really, really yummy. I just get this one at Costco. You can make your own pesto if you want. I have some pine nuts. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of pine nuts to this. Sun-dried tomatoes, because I just absolutely love sun-dried tomatoes. I have a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Give this a good mix. This is really great. I love the flavors in this one. I really love anything with sun-dried tomatoes, but pesto, the peas, this one is delicious. I hope that you loved these 6 pasta salad recipes. They are all huge, huge hits whenever I make them. So I hope that you try them out, and I hope that you love them as much as we do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my easy recipes with you multiple times a week. So make sure you subscribe, and make sure you put a like on this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.